everybody. You guys know how much I love using my gel press. And instead of just saving tons and tons of different colorful prints, I try to use them for different projects. Well, today we are taking some colorful gel press prints and turning them into beautiful paper party lights. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some paper party lights.
The earliest monotypes date from the 1640s when Giovanni Benedetto Castiglione printed compositions he drew into ink spread on unincised metal plates. Since then, artists have periodically rediscovered this technique for themselves. The man credited as the driving force of paper creation is one of the most famous Chinese inventors, Cai Lun, who lived between 50 and 120 AD. Edward H. Johnson put the very first string of electric Christmas tree lights together in 1882. Johnson, Edison's friend and partner in the Edison's Illumination Company, hand-wired 80 red, white, and blue light bulbs and wound them around his Christmas tree.
I'm gonna leave a link to gel press and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like Pulp Fiction, Perfect Paper Projects, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.